Welcome to Tech Support Fridays. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to increase your internet speed in a way that your internet service provider can't legally prevent you from doing so. Now before we get started, be sure that you go ahead and slap that like button. So I'm going to show you the speeds here beforehand. I'm going to pull up Wi-Fi Man and just run a test here. And then I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make this so much faster, and they can't stop you. It's awesome. So you can see I've got 18.6 down and 9.85 up, 4 megabits per second. Now note the IP address here is 133.722.420.777. And now for the secret magic to show you how we're going to do this. Now I've taken this hard drive magnet out of a SAS hard drive, so it's a very, very powerful magnet. Now before you start dropping a bunch of comments about some things, I need to show you something. So this is like a magnetic paper, so you can see the actual magnetic field. Now if you notice, I put this right on it, just has that tiny little line right here. You see that? So as I lift it up, it gets a little bit wider and you can see the magnetic field on both sides. What this will do is, when properly aligned, it will actually help push away any interference that's already in the air if you're not using a shielded Ethernet cable, which most people don't. Let me show you how to do that. Now, for this example, I'm going to be using, this is a Cat 8 cable. Now, it's very important that we get this super precise, so I'm going to line this up, and it looks like right here is kind of where it needs to be, right? So, I'm going to take this out, and then use some duct tape here. Go ahead and make sure it's stuck exactly over that line, and we'll test it here in just a sec. With this magnet paper, here we go. And it is almost lined up here. And there we go. So you can see it is lined up with the direction of the magnetic waves, and that is going to disrupt other interference in the air. Now I'm going to plug this in between the modem and my router. Okay, so back to the computer. I'm going to just refresh the page, and let's see how much faster. Well, look at that. That's freaking awesome. And this is also during peak time right now, where everybody's home in the evening. Definitely a lot faster. So tell me what you think about that down in the comments section down below. And most importantly, April Fools.